How to measure for curtains. Fitting your pole or track. We recommend using a metal tape measure to ensure accurate measurements. Ensure you have a pen and paper ready to note down your measurements. Fit your track or pole 10 to 20 centimetres above the window and 15 to 30 centimetres either side of the window. When measuring a curtain pole, measure in between the end finials. When fitting your track, measure the full width of the track. Decide on your curtain heading before measuring for your finished drop. For pencil and pinch pleat curtains, measure from the bottom of the curtain ring to the desired drop. For eyelet and tab top curtains, measure from the top of the pole to your desired drop. When we make your eyelet curtains, we add a 5 cm stand-up above the pole. Ensure you have enough room for this. For a track, measure from the top of the track to your desired drop. Next, decide what length you'd like your curtains. Sill length, below sill length, or floor length. For sill length, measure in line with the bottom of your window or just above your sill if you have one. For below sill length, measure 15 cm below the sill or just above your radiator if you have one. For floor length, we recommend measuring approximately 1 cm off the floor. Alternatively, if you want a paddled effect, you'll need up to 30 cm on the floor. We always recommend to double check all measurements prior to placing an order. Now you're ready to create your made to measure curtains.